Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's session. As we all know, nowadays coronavirus is a big threat to mankind. There are multiple suggestions in terms of fighting corona like washing hands, using masks, etc. But above that there is one key factor which helps in avoiding infection or a disease. Yes, you take it right. I'll be talking about immunity, immunonutrients and immuno-ingredients. Yes, first of all, what is immunity? Immunity is the ability of a person to fight against a disease or an infection. So, if you have better immunity, you will be less prone to diseases or an infection and in a better condition to fight against a problem or a disease. So, let we talk about 5 main basic immunonutrients. But before that, there is one key ingredient which plays a big role in immunity. Yes, that is water. Water plays a big role in immunity by keeping our body hydrated. If our body will not be hydrated, it will become dry and there will be some cracks. And from these cracks, very minute viruses can pass through and we can fall ill. So we must have adequate amount of water in our daily routine. Coming back to immunonutrients, I'll be talking about 5 immunonutrients and the very first one is vitamin A. The hack to remember vitamin A is to think about orange, red and yellow. If there is fruit, any fruit or vegetable having this color, it's a good source of vitamin A like papaya, tomatoes, mango, pepper, etc. and pumpkin also. All these are rich sources of vitamin A, and except that green leafy vegetables are good source of vitamin A. And if you are a non-vegetarian, then eggs and fish are also good sources of vitamin A. The next second immunonutrient is vitamin C. And to think about vitamin C is to think about a word sa. Every citrus fruit has vitamin C in it, like lemon, lime, guava, kiwi, pineapple. Also, all these are rich sources of vitamin C. Now, the third key ingredient or immunonutrient is vitamin E. The rich sources of vitamin E are nuts like almond, hazelnut, peanut and vegetable oils also like soya and corn and other are also there. Apart from providing immunity, vitamin E is an excellent antioxidant and prevents free radicals. The fourth key ingredient or immunonutrient is zinc. The best sources of zinc are peas, chickpeas, pumpkin seeds and meat, etc. Zinc also helps in wound healing. If there is some wound, zinc also helps in its healing. And the last we gonna talk about is the selenium. The fifth key ingredient is selenium. The best sources of selenium are eggs, meat and whole grains. So these are 5 key nutrients which we must have in our diet or daily routine to fight against an infection or a disease. And lastly, there are some foods which also good for our immunity like ginger, garlic, turmeric, green tea, etc. We can also use that in our daily life. Now to recap, we must have plenty of water to keep our body hydrated and to remove cracks. Next, we have discussed about 5 immunonutrients which are vitamin A, C, E, zinc and selenium, and also about their sources. And lastly, some key foods which are also helpful in boosting our immunity. I hope this video is useful and you gonna use this information. Stay immune, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.